autonomous solar energy for both the private and public sector homes hyphen houses. Solar energy is estimated to be the best form of green energy and or renewable source of energy. The uses of the aforementioned source of energy are applicable to both the private and public sector as well as homes hyphen houses. The most identical and so on examples of the uses are bullet, solar panels positioned wherever every home hyphen house can gather and store energy from the sun. For example, roofs, walls that the sun lights, warms, and heats in many cases of countries with a lot of sunshine. The same mentioned above are applicable to the private sector, personal businesses, limited liability businesses, private capital owned businesses, SAs, incorporations, multinational companies, rare cases of global companies, and least but not last, the Olympic movement. The same mentioned to the above two first uses are also applicable to the public sector. The strategic public armed forces, then the rest of the armed forces for every country in the world that armed forces are available and or under potential mobilization, rest of public sector products and services, and so on. Strictly severe remarks. It is ridiculous. With significant presence of sunshine that have not taken this unique, invaluable, best value for money, and so on, critical strategic advantage. It is a great inefficiency for whoever is responsible in these issues and or for whoever is high ranked in the armed forces and or has been trained academically and professionally in the so-called top-ranked, relevant, highest education institutes not to have ordered immediately and or as soon as possible the widespread production, use, store, protection, and so on of the solar energy solar panels. Asterisk. Maybe the above strictly severe remarks can be similarized us at least a double red card. Parenthesis. You might wonder, who am I to preach you like this? Alright, let me give you just only one justification from the plural justifications I can shortly dictate you. It is more than 30 years when I firstly, successfully and so on passed the relevant highest education subject that is called technology systems ... Asterisk, 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 bullet, to be escalated to whoever I have also the authority, hyphen, responsibility to be concerned, bullet, to be applied as soon as possible, if no one higher ranked than me is not present, available, found, and ready to sign, approve, and order due to the very crucial, useful, best value for money, and so on, positive, resilient, return on investment, and so on, results. ... Michael Kasotakis, Econ, MCIM, FCMI. Signed and approved. Signature already positioned. Copyright, reproduction, trademark, E-BCR, Michael Kasotakis, Econ, MCIM, FCMI, Electronic, Business, Consulting, Research, Products and Services. https www.e-bcr.com 2019-2139. All the rights reserved. Membership number ECG 54821. Membership number CIM 4966031. Membership number CMI P043 74673. Signed, stamped and approved.